Hi friends, this video shows how to fix the error unable to preview the video when try to change thumbnail of the short video. Here I am going to edit this YouTube short video and try to change the thumbnail. Tap on these three dots, then tap on edit. Then here on top left, tap on this edit icon. Please wait. See, this is the issue. It's not loading thumbnail image. Instead, it's showing this error message unable to preview the video. From bottom, I have tried to load different image, but that also not working. See, I will show you how we can fix this issue. See, here you can see this 2 minutes 41 seconds video. This video has issue. Let me try to upload same video again. Tap on this plus icon, then upload same video, then tap on next, then we can type some name here, the title for the video, then upload. Tap on upload short. Now it's uploading, please wait. Okay, uploaded. Let me refresh. Here you can see test 1, that is a video I uploaded again. Let me edit this video. Tap on these three dots, tap on edit, then tap on this edit icon. See, now it loaded thumbnail image. Let me try to change thumbnail. Please wait. See, that also working. So this way we can fix that issue. Just try to upload same video again. Upload same video again, then change the thumbnail, then you can delete the old one. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.